Ice, move, bro. What me do? What me I do now? It's Louis' birthday. Give Louis the attention, man. I don't want it. Go away. Y'all, so we pulling Louis bed. Man, get out the picture. Get out. Get out. Move, boy, it's not your birthday, it's Louis' birthday. Move. Louis, come, Louis. Guys, we have a fluffy bed for Louis. Excuse. We got a fluffy bed for Louis. Look. We have a fluffy bed for Louis. Luxury bed. Now, we have just now. I forgot. Ice must have gone with you. Y'all want to see what I bought today? Do y'all want to see what I bought today? And do y'all want to see my 2 suits that Amazon sent for me? Should I try them on for you guys or no? Hey, take your tea mode. Me a thump you down. At your bedtime. Watch it. Hey, stop that. Stop. Hey, stop that attitude. It is not accepted on Louis' birthday. Stop that attitude. Myself it off. Turn off of it. Stop. You can't wipe your nose, but you want to have it. Let's go. Yago. Stop. Let me see if it up for you. Give Louis ice. Give Louis. Give Louis. Give Lulu. Y'all think I should do, should I do the try on? Okay, let me show y'all what I bought today.